Hey, what's up, Shiba holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, friends, once again, I'm present with the latest update of Shiba. My friends, a lot of people ask me questions about Shiba that when will Shiba reach to $1? When the price of Shiba become $1? So, finally, friends, in this video, we discuss. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Now, let's see, my friends, under my personal research, you can see here. When will Shiba Inu reach $1? It is expected that self-claimed Dogecoin Shiba Inu can reach at $0.00085 toward the finish of June 2021, my friends. So now at this time, my friends, that's clear that the June target for a Shiba is here. That is the June target for Shiba Inu coin. $0.00085 Shiba when can reach to this price and the end of this June. Maybe it goes up. We can't say about the future. Maybe tomorrow they take a huge pump and the price become $1. We can't say about the future, but on the basis of previous changes, we decide that if this kind of change continue in a Shiba, so the price in the June last is $0.00085. Anyways, let's see more about Shiba. If it continues to rise, we can say that the cost will be $0.003 in January 2022. Yes, they said that if they continue this kind of change, same like that the previous change, so that's possible for Shiba that the January price of the Shiba in 2022 is $0.0003. Same like that, by the calculation, there is a very low probability that it will reach $1 by 2025. My friends, don't lose hope. And I'm sure, my friends, we can't say about the future. That is just a research about the previous time. That is just a research about the previous time, my friends. But that's not mean you decide to sell. No. You have to hold. If you hold, so there is a lot of chances maybe in the last half this month they take a huge pump and the price will become $1. We can't say about the future. Cryptocurrencies change life in minutes. You know what? So if you hold, you will get profit. If you sell, nothing you will get. And my personal prediction about Shiba Inu is that maybe there is a lot of chances to they hit a $1 in the end of 2021. That is my prediction. That is my target for Shiba. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about Shiba? Please tell me in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.